Does changing filters regularly prevent expensive repairs? Yes, replacing filters on schedule can reduce strain on heating, ventilation, and air conditioning equipment and help prevent some costly repairs, although it cannot stop every possible problem. A dirty filter blocks airflow, so the system must work harder and run longer to heat or cool your home. That extra effort can make the blower motor overheat, increase electricity use, and cause parts to wear out sooner. In air conditioners, weak airflow can also make the indoor coil become too cold and freeze, which may lead to water damage when the ice melts. A clean filter helps catch dust, pet hair, and other particles before they reach sensitive parts inside the equipment. Check the filter about once a month by holding it toward a light, and replace it when it looks gray, clogged, or difficult to see through. Many basic filters should be changed every 1 to 3 months, but homes with pets, smokers, allergies, or frequent construction dust may need changes more often. A useful detail many people miss is that a filter that is too thick or too restrictive can also reduce airflow even when it is clean, so use the size and filter rating recommended by the equipment maker. Write the installation date on the filter frame or set a phone reminder so the replacement becomes a regular habit. One common mistake is waiting until the filter looks completely blocked, so check it monthly instead of guessing. Another mistake is installing the filter backward, so point the arrow toward the furnace or air handler where the air is moving. Some people also believe a new filter fixes every heating or cooling issue, but unusual noises, weak airflow, leaks, or repeated shutdowns need a qualified technician's inspection. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.